Hey Heartland family, we have a truly inspiring story we wanted to share with you that we believe is super powerful and that most people can actually really relate to. The story is about a man named Tim, and Tim had been battling with weight and body image issues his entire life and believed he was doing what he was doing and just getting by. A quote from Tim went like this: "I didn't always eat what I loved, but I ate a lot of food and I ate all the time, whether I was hungry or not. I'm 5'5", 250 pounds, and I haven't weighed less than that in 15 years. Tim was 40 years old, and he was waking up feeling 80. One day, he landed in the doctor's office, and the doctor gave him news that his sleep apnea had gotten so bad that he was going to require surgery. At this point, Tim had basically given up and surrendered to this information, because he had tried diets and different alternatives before, and nothing had really worked for him. That vulnerability led him to research on mindful eating. And Tim, he was skeptical at first, but he thought, what do I have to lose? He tried it, and right away he knew that this was different. And he used mindful eating to change his life.
The mindful eating that Tim used can be summed up by the principle, think before you eat. And by asking yourself these 4 questions. Essentially, what am I eating? Where did it come from? And why am I eating it? How will it make me feel after eating it? It breaks down like this. What are the ingredients in what I'm eating? A quick rule of thumb is if I don't know what the ingredients are or how to pronounce them, then I probably shouldn't be eating it. Click the link below to check out more videos on understanding nutrition facts labels. Where did it come from? Was it raised on a farm, or was it created in a laboratory, sent to a factory, packaged on an assembly line, where profit is more important than the product itself? Also, local is not always better. Find the right source. Some farmers care about genetics, humane treatment, feed, and some don't. Why? Why am I eating this? Am I physically hungry and I need to fuel my body? Or am I eating it based off of emotion, where I'm rewarding myself for a job well done, or to offer comfort, to cure my own boredom or loneliness, etc.? That leads us to number 4. How will I feel after eating it? Is this food I'm consuming going to give me heartburn, a headache, leave me feeling lethargic and bloated? Maybe it leaves me feeling guilty or discouraged or even unhappy.
If the food you're consuming doesn't leave you feeling your best, then why would you consume it in the first place?
So always remember these 4 questions when consuming anything food related. What, where, why, and how will I feel? We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making this video. If you know someone who might find this information valuable, we hope that you'll share it with them. The Heartland Home Foods family is always here to support. So check out our weekly videos on health and wellness. And remember, stay healthy with Heartland.